Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajeshwini. I am designer with BVM Insol and we are here today at Debopriya and Anjali's house. This is a spacious 3 BHK located in Brahma Sansiti Society in Pune. Let us have a walk through the design.
The entrance safety door is highlighted with a stone cladding and a frame with LED strip to add a nice lighting effect. Inside, the foyer area has a spacious shoe rack with back wall accentuated with wallpaper and designer lights. Entering the living room, the sitting area is kept very neutral, calm and soothing. The designer wallpaper brings very nice elegance to the space. The entertainment unit is made in a combination of rich wooden laminate and a contrast marble textured laminate. Rafters and ledges elevate the design to another level. Paneling behind is a combination of marble laminate and a fabric textured wallpaper. We have created a nice little reading corner with a wall mount book rack that itself looks like a piece of art. Dining area is highlighted with a huge mirror paneling design and ceiling wallpaper. A sleek rack to display crockeries or artifacts.
Let us have a look at the kitchen now.
It's a renovated kitchen, but can you tell that? The combination of light and dark laminates with LED strip lighting under cabinets and a beautiful marble textured tile makes the kitchen look very new and elegant. Storage according to client's requirement, open displays to add design and practicality into this kitchen. This is the parents' room. A corner bed to leave more circulation area in the room. A small mandir space and a soothing window seating brings the room together. The wardrobe is the main highlight of this room. Angular patterns created with a textured laminate, golden accents brought in through handles make it look even more designer.
Let's enter the master bedroom.
Our client wanted a hint of blue in this room. That's what we can see, a royal blue in combination with an almond ivory throughout. The wardrobe has the same combination going, but the dominant ivory brings the lightness to this room. Tufted headboard, huge mirror and shelves to showcase artifacts. The workstation in this room is very sleek with a lot of storage. This geometric pattern wallpaper with shades of blue is all that this room needed for its best look. This room has a beautiful workstation made with a patterned laminate to match with the set of existing furnitures that our client had.
Hi, I am Devapriya and she's my wife Anjali. Buying your first house is obviously life's big milestone for each and everyone, and all of us want us to be perfect. So me and Anjali, both of us had some idea. We want this particular master bedroom to be like that, the dining area to be like that, maybe the drawing area, the wall should like that. So we had some bits and pieces, ideas in our heads when we started thinking about doing interior. And but I think then finally Vishal, Smita, Rajeshwini, and Kirti, those are the person who bring those ideas, flying ideas into practical and give them the life. So this we came to know about the BVM from one of a very close family friend. We went their house. BVM already done that, and we went in their housewarming. So we were so amazed with their work. We were so impressed that we didn't go for any other options. We were very clear that we don't have to go for multiple quotations or multiple vendors. We were very clear that we have to done through that. So there is no second thought. Then when we decided, then we started the planning. And I believe throughout these 4 to 5 months of journey, the planning phase was the most difficult one, and we shared most of the mind share there. So for each and every furniture, each and every corner, I think Rajeshwini and Smita gave us some at least 8 to 10 options, and from those then we finalized. Post finalization also there are 2 to 3 iterations before we were going live with the execution part. And I think when the work started, we also told so many changes, and yeah, Smita and Rajeshwani, they're kind enough to accommodate all the changes, because we keep on telling them no, this particular world shouldn't be like that, it should be like that, maybe we shouldn't put mirror there. So there are so many iterations. So they are kind enough to accommodate us, accommodate all those ideas. And then obviously and they also when we finalized that, they came up with this 3D pictures, because all of the ideas and furnitures we have planned that in a silos. We didn't know exactly what particular room is going to look like. So when they gave us that 3D picture, we were very much impressed, and we got the comfort. Yes, that's how the house is going to look like. Then what happened? I think the final output is almost 90 to 95% like that only. So that helped us a lot. Then coming to execution part, I think Kirti and Rajeshwani done a great job, because 1 month into this execution, the COVID second wave hit us hard. Everything came to a standstill, but they managed to get the furniture work, the wooden work done back into the workshop, so that there is some progress. At least there is no standstill. Even post the COVID, the lockdown lifted up, but there are so many restrictions into the society. They somehow managed every day to get the work done. And I think after 3 to 4 months, when it's ended up, we entered our house. So my mom came, my dad didn't, he couldn't come up. We are so much satisfied, and it blew all of us mind. So my parents loved their the parents' bedroom. My father-in-law, mother-in-law loved the guest room, and obviously both of us, each and every corner, was so much impressed that yeah, I think that is what looks like. That was in our that is our mind when we purchased a empty flat. So I think they done a great job, and even we bought another flat. Now there is anything thinking second, giving any second thought, we gave up the job to Smita and Rajeshwani. I think now they are going to execute that. So what I want to say, obviously each one of us buy a house, but BVM has helped us to make that a home. And yes, and throughout the housewarming and all, everyone came, they loved it so much, and I believe it's all the hard work for continuous for 4 to 5 months, which has come up with this complete end project, and we loved it. Thank you, BVM. Thank you.
Thank you so much.